Looking for the best Forex broker to kickstart your trading journey? Whether you're after no deposit bonuses, low trading costs, or just want a reliable platform to grow your skills, you're in the right place. In this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best FTSE 250 Forex brokers. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. Coming in first at number 5 in our list, we have XTB. XTB is a globally recognized online trading platform offering access to a wide range of financial markets. Established in 2002, the company has grown into one of the world's leading brokers, providing innovative trading solutions through its proprietary xStation platform. XTB is regulated by top-tier financial authorities and serves traders across multiple countries. The broker is committed to empowering traders of all experience levels with advanced tools, educational resources, and competitive trading conditions. The broker offers a wide range of trading instruments, giving traders access to global financial markets. The broker provides trading in Forex, indices, commodities, stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies, allowing for portfolio diversification across different asset classes. XTB offers advanced and user-friendly trading platforms designed to enhance the trading experience for both beginners and professionals. Their flagship platform, xStation, provides intuitive navigation, advanced charting tools, real-time market analysis, and fast trade execution. Available on desktop, web, and mobile devices, xStation ensures seamless access to global markets anytime, anywhere. Additionally, the broker also provides trading through the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. XTB offers flexible trading account types designed to suit the needs of different traders, whether for beginners or experienced professionals. Their accounts feature competitive spreads, fast execution, and access to a wide range of financial instruments. These accounts include the standard and pro trading account types, with demo and Islamic account options. The broker offers comprehensive educational resources to support traders at all experience levels. The broker provides free courses, webinars, market analysis, and trading guides to help traders enhance their skills. Overall, XTB is a trusted and innovative broker that provides traders with a comprehensive range of financial instruments, advanced trading platforms, and valuable educational resources. With its focus on security and customer support, XTB offers a seamless trading experience for both beginners and experienced traders, whether through competitive account types, expert market analysis, or powerful tools. XTB is dedicated to helping traders achieve their financial goals in the dynamic world of online trading. At number 4 on our list is Admirals. Admirals is a renowned financial brokerage firm that has established itself as a prominent player in the global financial markets. With a commitment to providing comprehensive trading solutions, Admirals has become a trusted destination for traders seeking a reliable platform to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Admirals offers a diverse array of trading instruments, providing a comprehensive platform for investors to explore and capitalize on various financial markets, which include Forex, commodities, indices, stocks, exchange-traded funds, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Admirals prides itself on delivering a user-friendly interface and advanced trading tools that empower users to execute their strategies effectively across this extensive range of trading instruments. The broker offers a cutting-edge suite of trading platforms designed to meet the diverse needs of traders across the globe. And these are the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms. Their platforms are accessible across various devices, including desktops, tablets, and mobile phones, ensuring traders can stay connected to the markets anytime and anywhere. Admirals offers a range of carefully crafted trading account types to accommodate the diverse needs and preferences of traders. Tailored to suit various trading styles and experience levels, these accounts provide a comprehensive and flexible trading environment. These include the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 account types, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. Regardless of the chosen account type, traders benefit from the advanced technology, educational resources, and comprehensive support that Admirals provides. Admirals is committed to empowering traders with knowledge and skills, offering a comprehensive array of educational resources to support their journey in the financial markets. These resources cover essential topics such as market basics, trading terminology, and risk management. They also provide interactive webinars and tutorials, which further enhance the learning experience, ensuring that beginners can navigate the complexities of online trading with confidence. The educational resources at Admirals are not only informative but also practical, equipping traders with the tools they need to make informed decisions. Overall, Admirals stands as a trusted and innovative force in the world of online trading, committed to providing a dynamic and user-friendly platform for traders of all levels. With a diverse range of trading instruments, cutting-edge platforms, and a wealth of educational resources, the broker empowers traders to navigate the financial markets with confidence and expertise. Whether one is a beginner seeking a solid foundation or an experienced trader looking for advanced tools, Admirals caters to a wide spectrum of needs. The platform's commitment to transparency, security, and continuous improvement reflect its dedication to delivering a superior trading experience. Coming in at number 3, we have CMC Markets. CMC Markets has been a trusted name in online trading since 1989, serving over 1.5 million clients worldwide, and with decades of experience, the broker combines reliability with innovation, offering advanced trading technology through its proprietary next-generation platform and MetaTrader 4, designed to provide a seamless and professional trading experience. Regulated by top-tier authorities, CMC Markets ensures a secure environment for traders, whether they are beginners or seasoned professionals, making it a respected choice in the global trading community. CMC Markets offers a comprehensive range of over 12,000 CFD instruments, providing traders with diverse opportunities across global markets. Their offerings include Forex pairs, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, shares, and ETFs. With fully automated execution, deep liquidity, and a wide selection of markets, the broker provides both retail and professional traders with the tools to diversify portfolios, manage risk effectively, and take advantage of opportunities in fast-moving global markets. The broker offers a diverse range of trading platforms to cater to various trader preferences. Their proprietary next-generation platform provides access to over 12,000 instruments. It boasts advanced charting tools, technical indicators, and features like one-click trading and automated alerts. For traders seeking a more customizable experience, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are available, featuring enhanced order types, a built-in economic calendar, and improved strategy testing. Whether you prefer web-based, desktop, or mobile trading, CMC Markets ensures a seamless and professional trading experience across all devices. CMC Markets offers a variety of trading accounts to suit different trader needs and experience levels. Their standard account is ideal for retail traders with competitive spreads and no minimum deposit requirement. For active Forex traders, their FX Active account offers spreads from 0.0 pips on major Forex pairs, plus access to all other instruments with a small commission. Experienced traders can opt for the CMC Pro account, which delivers higher leverage, priority service, and exclusive rebates. Additionally, corporate accounts are available for businesses, providing tailored features for corporate trading. Each account is designed to meet specific trading styles and goals, ensuring flexibility for all types of traders. The broker offers a comprehensive range of educational resources designed to support traders at every level. Their Knowledge Hub provides detailed platform guides, step-by-step tutorials, and in-depth articles covering essential topics such as technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. In addition, traders can join live and on-demand webinars hosted by experienced market analysts, offering insights into market trends, trading psychology, and advanced techniques. The resources are carefully organized by experience level, ensuring that every trader can access content tailored to their needs. From learning the basics to refining complex trading strategies, the broker's educational tools are aimed at helping traders build confidence and make more informed decisions in the financial markets. At number 2 on our list is Saxo Bank. Saxo Bank is a global investment bank specializing in online trading and investment services. Founded in 1992 and headquartered in Copenhagen, Denmark, it offers a comprehensive range of financial products, including Forex, stocks, bonds, options, futures, and ETFs. With access to over 70,000 instruments, Saxo Bank provides competitive pricing, deep liquidity, and advanced trading tools to suit both retail and institutional traders. Its comprehensive product offering enables investors to diversify their portfolios and execute trades efficiently on world-class trading platforms. Saxo Bank provides powerful and intuitive trading platforms designed for traders and investors of all levels. Its flagship platforms, Saxo Trader Go and Saxo Trader Pro, offer seamless access to global markets with advanced charting tools, risk management features, and in-depth market analysis. Saxo Trader Go is a user-friendly web-based platform ideal for traders who need flexibility, while Saxo Trader Pro is a professional-grade platform with customized workspaces and advanced trading functionalities. Both platforms deliver a high-performance trading experience across desktop, web, and mobile devices, ensuring efficiency and precision for all users. Saxo Bank offers a variety of trading account types to suit different investment needs and trading styles, which include the Saxo, Joint, Corporate, Professional, ISA, SIPP, Trust, and Demo account types, with 3 tiers: Classic, Platinum, and VIP. The Classic account is designed for casual traders, providing access to a wide range of financial instruments with competitive spreads. The Platinum account caters to more active traders, offering enhanced support and additional benefits such as lower costs and higher leverage. For professional traders, the VIP account provides premium services including personalized support, exclusive tools, and tailored pricing. Each account type is designed to offer flexibility, advanced features, and optimal conditions for traders at every level. The broker provides a wealth of educational resources to help traders and investors enhance their knowledge and skills. Through the Saxo Academy, clients can access a wide range of learning materials, including video tutorials, webinars, in-depth articles, and expert insights. The platform covers essential topics such as market analysis, trading strategies, risk management, and platform navigation. Whether beginners or experienced traders, Saxo Bank's educational resources empower users with the knowledge needed to make informed trading decisions and navigate global financial markets effectively. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best FTSE 250 Forex brokers, we have IG. IG is a leading online trading and investment platform, providing a comprehensive suite of financial products and services to traders and investors. IG empowers users to engage in a diverse range of financial markets, and as a leading player in the financial industry, their platform offers a user-friendly interface coupled with advanced trading features to facilitate seamless and informed decision-making. IG has positioned itself as a trusted partner for those seeking to navigate the complexities of the global financial markets. The broker offers a diverse array of trading instruments on its platform, offering a variety of options for individuals and institutions. And these instruments include Forex currency pairs, indices, shares, commodities, cryptocurrencies, futures, and options. This extensive range allows users to tailor their portfolios to their specific investment goals and risk preferences. With competitive spreads and leverage options, IG provides a versatile and dynamic trading environment for both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. IG offers a diverse range of cutting-edge trading platforms, tailored to cater to the varied needs of traders. These platforms are designed to provide seamless and intuitive experiences, empowering traders with advanced tools and features, and includes the IG proprietary trading application, MetaTrader 4, auto trading through Pro Real-Time, and more. Whether traders are beginners or seasoned professionals, IG's trading platforms aim to deliver a seamless and efficient trading experience, ensuring accessibility and functionality for all. They also provide a range of trading account types designed to meet the diverse needs of traders on their platform. Their accounts include spread betting and CFD leveraged accounts, share dealing accounts, stock accounts, the IG Smart Portfolio account, and the Smart Portfolio ISA account, with demo and Islamic account options. Each account type comes with unique features and advantages, allowing traders to align their choice with their specific trading objectives and preferences. They also provide a wealth of educational material aimed to enhancing market knowledge and refining trading skills. The educational resources cover a wide spectrum of topics, including foundational concepts, advanced strategies, risk management, technical analysis, and more. Through a variety of engaging formats such as video tutorials, webinars, and interactive courses, IG ensures that traders of all levels can access valuable insights and knowledge to make informed decisions in the financial markets. Whether for beginners or experienced traders, IG's dedication to education makes it a valuable destination for those looking to continually develop their trading expertise. Overall, IG stands as a prominent and trusted online trading platform dedicated to meeting the diverse needs of traders of all skill levels. With a user-friendly interface, a comprehensive array of trading instruments, advanced platforms, and a commitment to trader education through their academy, the platform provides a holistic and empowering experience for individuals navigating the financial markets. Whether one is a novice or an experienced trader, IG's commitment to transparency, innovation, and education positions it as a reliable partner for those seeking success in the dynamic world of online trading. And those are some of the top 5 best FTSE 250 Forex brokers on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.